My name's Tom Catlin with Conserve Texas Water, and today we're going to be teaching you how to install your very own irrigation decision device. The beauty of the device is its simplicity. It has both residential and commercial use, but before you get started, make sure that you follow all safety instructions. There are only a few tools that you're going to need: a wire cutter, a wire stripper, and of course a drill, a screwdriver, and if you're like me, you want it perfect, so make sure that you've got a level. Alright, let's get started. Take your wire stripper and remove the outer casing. As you can see, there are 4 wires here. Red and black are for power, and the white and the green are actually for the suppression signal. I've gone ahead and stripped off the ends of all 4, so now you do the same. Turn your irrigation control box to off, and then remove the control panel. Before permanently installing the IDD, we're going to test for 2 things. Does it work, and is it receiving a good signal? As you can see here, it says 24 VAC. Other units will say 24V. But that's where we're going to connect the red and the black wires. Because it has no polarity, it's your choice. Over here it says SEN. Some will say sense, but that's where we're going to connect the green and the white wire. If you're replacing a sensor, you're going to need to remove the 2 wires that go to the existing sensor. Loosen these 2 screws and remove the wires. Now I'm going to take a strip of masking tape and tape the unit to the wall. Make sure that you tape it exactly where you want it installed, and I'm going to test it with the garage door open and closed. As you can see, we've got a strong signal with the garage door open. We've got a solid green light for power, which also indicates the strength of the signal. The garage door is now closed and we still have a good signal. All systems go. If you've got a flashing signal like this, that's okay. You've got a strong enough signal to tell your sprinkler system what it needs to know. Alright, let's get this puppy permanently installed. You can use existing holes for your wires, or you can drill your own, but do it carefully. As you can see, this house already has a sensor installed. All I'm going to do is unscrew here and remove those sensors and install the green and the white wires from the irrigation decision device. Now I've got the white and the green sensor wires connected to the sensor receiver on the control box. I'm going to close the panel. Now I'm going to go ahead and mount the IDD to the wall. You can do so permanently to the wall or use a zip tie, whatever your choice. Since this isn't my house, I'm going to make sure it's nice and square using a level. Drill a couple of pilot holes. Now that we've got everything squared up, this is what it looks like. It's installed, ready to go. Just put that back on run, and you're set. Now that you've got your irrigation decision device, or IDD, permanently installed, make sure that you send in your registration form. That way, you'll be receiving a site-specific forecast for your house. I'm Tom Catlin with Conserve Texas Water. Thanks for watching.